ate badde batugambye nti ebibuuzo birina kubeera bisatu. So kati
grown konkano uja kushanga ntungamo etakoresa omuzaano ogwo kiruhura nebasa kukoresa omuzaano wa ntungamo ntumbaranko wa omuchuba wa foreign ninga naba still home. Thank you.
Rama agambye yasoose mbadde nsaba tumuweereza omukisa.
Thank you so much. Ekibuuzo kyanje abokuba ninde fixtures zira out buli kimwe kiri out ekimanyisa ngu ekintu kyona kya tournament kiri streamlined. Nyenda kumanya abokuba for the very first time omu tournament egi tube tiine system erikoreka final day team zans hangura ebichoncho, so nindeeba tournament egi eri much more refurbished erimu ebintu bingi, so tujengo wina wa tournament egi hariho ekichoncho ekirikumanywa ekyakwija kusinga ninga shi nasinga bamukwasa ekikopo agaruka ta.
Okay, thank you so much banange. Ndowooza for the interest of time abakulu bano baddemu ebibuuzo bino then mbutuufu obudde buwedde mumanyi tulina emirimu emirala.
Thank you so much. Ekibuuzo ky'okubanza kijera ngu neiza kubeera home and away ninga mbazana bata omupiira yona neiza kubeera home and away tutandikira mu group then ogunuma gwa finals ogwe ndwo kutine home and away. So ekyo mukimanye mbwenu mukimanye ngu group A, B na D nza kuzana mpira nena, then group C mbazana mpira mukaga buri district ni checho.
Yebale ahabwa enshonga y'obwire kurudungu Mike yabuza is it rebranding or completely new tournament. Akubamanyisa ngu ekintu kintu kweta rebranding kuba ine kintu konka okateekamu ebintu bya so okumasa ngona record zitu kwantu kozesa niza tournament ekozere ki etwireho boje ine bikopo bibiri champion sinjirize champion so tuntugezaho kuhindura tournament etwireho for the good of Ankole. Then enshonga y'abazani bomukana n'abachuba twabashobora ngo ntsa kwantu zani sabazana 25 abiturahandikise mu album abazana 20 n'abazana bakuru gomuka abazana 5 nabo rukuyiha heru aho rukuyiha heru abazani bashimye kwano barga outside Ankole region. So nikimasa ngo ntunga mukwere ine Paul Muchurezi naza kuzanda ntunga monko muzana wabo tarukwikizwa crossinga kuza kuzanira buhweju ninga shema out together. So omuzano wabu ntungamo omuzano wabu hwejo muchuba ashime kuona araga Masaka, Arua or even Tanzania or Kenya, but not from within Ankole. Thank you so much. So chairman with our sponsorships kaba garikemo ahanshonga ya prize money tubetwahiriza omukorogwerizo.
Ganga rikemwe kibuzo cya prize money omudina yituragire eraberho abebembezi ba Ankole ba MPs no kwana patron yitu tuja kwanveiringa bo ebya buri omwe buri timu era hangure kandi na omwami Mike we are rebranding Ankole npango abantu ekintu Ankole tumanyisa ngo nabari yaheru nabantu beitu koka kujya ngo Ankole districts no wakiri meetinga kare bari munonga.
Pero mukuru manicho tukumaririza ecyacu twatangaza ho kaki hire mwaka kiko akarabe karoho cya persons bashatu tujya kuba tuyine akakiko obuciko buna nanisha bangu nsome abantu abakubwebembera other members tujya bashomera ahadina for the interest of time. Akakiko ka Ankole Cup 2026 nikija kuba kine bachi ya persons bashatu, that is Osborne Mushabe nimbani nyebembera media and mobilization. Engineer Jackson Byarugaba na ija kwana ibembera sponsorships and referees. Kirango referees no butantu biho mufufa, they must be appointed in coordination with him. Kujangu tutakashisha tournament n'obukumanya. Takuba then treasury tuine chairperson no kujebembera kwetwa Osborne turiya singura ngati yabasa kuija cause ariya heru yihanga. Then after that abantu tukasa kwanjuro twayanjura Petro no itona Thomas Tayebwa twayanjura brand ambassadors abo ntwa kubanjura izo bari ya dinner, then tuno buchiko standing committees. In events committee, elabene koranko organizing committee day to day running of the tournament. Elabene ba chairpersons babiri, that is Engineer Innocent Byamukama and Mr. Chigongo Asman from Ntungamo, Innocent from Rubirizi. One on that kindred shai chawe hajerebi abaho, you don't write to me and Jackson. You write to Nohandichara Chigongo na Innocent. Taudazana. Then chakubaho mupira bakakwiba. Ikiwa kweta disciplinary to Jeta advisory committee, to be a committee headed by Honorable Mwizuche Francis. Nyola ina ibembera committee jo wano ndakukababa. Toramu. Then tuinaka chiko akara licensing and referring akana still kakwembera Engineer Jackson and a delegate from FUFA over ever tuhire akwembera referees for the region. Then akachikwa abanyamahurre akachikwa kontuja council nako ahadina, but it will be coordinated by Manu Chorare of Radio and Digital in Mbarara, Kabura of NBS, and Yedidi Anyakahangura of Tayari TV, plus Elias Tugusa from Vision Group. Thank you so much. Mwebale kuijaha, era mwebale kujawano, toyanzeke.
Okay, that they have requested that you launch the fixture again.
Atware omugishogu kurangira fixtures na shempiro kwera azanwe omukikopo cha Ankole empiri 12 neija kuberya aha TV uri kubasa kugireba uri no mukayawe ompira go kubanza nko kuba bashobora bushenyi eri kwiguraho na shema ebiro mukaga byo kwa mukaga omuru bushenyi finals ziriyaba omukabo stadium shema omukwezi kwa munana mwebare mnonga izo nzo fixtures za Ankole Cup. So kurugeri izoba nzukwa ziyo public national media buri mwana basa kuzireba kandi turi ngtwaza kuratira abo kubanira bene engenderwaho ya tournament. Mwebare mnonga.
Thank you so much. Banamawulire banange oluvanyuma wano tugenda kulaba Mr. Mathias abamu ngenda kuba coordinating tulebe tunachikwasaganya, then waliwo bannamawulire betutali nabo ku gundi yasooka yali wano mu Mbalala abatwegaseeko ndowooza nammwe era tugenda kulaba butya bwe tugenda bahondolinga Mr. Mathias yasinga okumanya katu highlightingemu tulabe.
In case nonda kuza kukora commentary, you come to me, I just note you go and work. Ababushenyi twabachira Greater Bushenyi twabachira, welcome to the city. No man aramuhanda maringwa kurga kuriya kwika, but we are all going to be sorted. Just feel at home and feel free. Thank you.
Tubadde tugezaako communicatinga nti bwe tuba tweregisterinze eri abagenda okola commentary like me now I'm leaving, bwe tuba tweregisterinze just know you're going to be sorted. Toba na kutya konna tuteere enamba y'essimu ku lupapula awo, ekyo tugenda genda maaso n'okikolako. Nze ne Mr. Mathias tulina bannamawulire abadde bavudde e Bushenyi. We have people from Kazo here. Kazo Ntungamo Ibanda eyo listo gine ekibana listo ono musajja agirina tubeera wano n'obeera stranded n'ogamba basajja nga bandeseewo mugenda kukolebwako mwenna. Thank you so much.